Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your TC app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications. You just click on it here. You come to this list. You click here on notification categories. So then you come here to editorial here. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean editorial notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.